Hello friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to our channel Progressive Always. Dear friends, in this video we are going to study example number 3 of practice set 1.4 of chapter 1 linear equations in two variables. Now here in this equation you see this is the type of equations reducible to linear equation in two variables. These equations are given here, but these equations are not in the standard form of linear equations in two variables. We have to reduce it first. Now let's see the solution. First I write given this first equation as it is, 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. In this equation I separate this numerator from this fraction 27 multiplied by 1 upon x minus 2 plus here also I take it separate 31 multiplied by 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85 as it is, and I put this fraction in bracket. Now here equation number 1 I give. Similarly second equation, and I write second equation also, 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. Here also I do separation of these numerators, 31 multiplied by 1 upon x minus 2 plus 27 multiplied by 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. And here again put brackets for these fractions. Now after this step we got two brackets, here 1 upon x minus 2, second 1 upon y plus 3. We have to replace these brackets by another variable. Put 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to a, and second bracket 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to b. Now we have to replace a and b here. Now we got equation number 3 and 4. Here 2 I give. 3 and 4 we get. Here 27 as it is. In place of first bracket put a value plus 31 as it is. In place of this bracket put b value is equal to 85. And here I write number 3. Similarly 2 also, equation 2 will change. 31 first bracket x minus this one a plus 27 second bracket is equal to b is equal to 89. Equation number 4 I write here. Dear friends, if you observe both the equations, you see cross coefficients are equal. Cross coefficients, here 27 is the coefficient of a, and in second 27 is the coefficient of b. In first 31 is the coefficient of b, in second 31 is the coefficient of a. Means cross coefficients are equal. That's why that is which type? Particular type of example. Particular type. And for the particular type of example, we know that we have to add first and second time subtraction. Now first I add here. That is specially only for particular type. When cross coefficients are equal, then only. Now addition now. Adding. Add it 58a plus addition 31 plus 27, 58b is equal to, here also add it 9 plus 5 here 14, 1 carried over 174. Now 58 and here also 58. We can divide by 58 to all these three numbers. We can divide by 58. We get simple equation. That is, now divide by 58. Here we get a if we divide by 58. If we divide by 58 here we get only b. And if we divide by 58 here, then 3's are. And I give here number 5. Equation number 5. After addition, We added, after addition we got 5, now second time you subtract. Same, third and fourth. Now we are going to subtract. Write again third and fourth. 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. This is equation 3 again. 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. This is equation number 4. Again we wrote, because we are subtracting here now. Here I write subtracting. And when we subtract, we have to change the signs of second equation. Here signs will change. Original plus new sign minus. Original plus new sign minus. Here also original sign plus new sign minus. We have changed the signs of second equation. And now subtract. 27 minus 31, we have to give higher value sign. Then 4a. Here higher value sign plus. Here also subtraction. 4a, 4b here, and is equal to, here a subtraction, higher value sign minus 4. Now here also you see 4, 4, 4. Now divide by 4 here. Here we divided by 58. You can write here if you want, dividing by 58. And here now we are going to divide by 4. That is, we get minus a, see, plus b minus 1. We divided by 4. Here I give equation number 6, dividing by 4. Now we got two simple equations, 5th and 6th. Now we have to solve 5th and 6th. Now 6th we got here, 5th I write down here. A plus b is equal to 3, and this is 5th. Now again 5th and 6th we have to solve. Here only. Now you see, minus a plus a, it will get cancelled. And here addition now. B plus b, 2b is equal to 2. Right? Now here we have to transfer these two here. B is equal to 2 upon 2. B is equal to 1. We got the value of b. To find the value of a, put this value in equation number 3 or 4. Put b is equal to 1 in equation 3. Equation 3 is 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. This is the equation number 3. In this equation we have to put b value, we get a. 27a plus 31 multiplied by 1 is equal to 85. 27a plus 31 ones are here 31 is equal to 85. 27a is equal to 85 minus 31. 27a is equal to, now here 4 and here 5, 54. Now here we get a value. A is equal to 54 divided by 27. A is equal to 27 ones are 27 twos are 54. We got a value also. But that is not the solution. We want x and y values. And for that we have to resub now. Resub 1 upon, now that equation where we have put values 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to a, and we have to resub value 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to a, and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to b. Here we have to resub a and b values. 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to, what is value of a? 2. And 1 upon y plus 3, what is value of b? 1. Now here these are in denominator. For that we want invertendo. Now by invertendo means we have to take reciprocals. reciprocal of both side. Reciprocal of this is x minus 2 and reciprocal of this is 1 upon 2, and reciprocal of this is y plus 3 and reciprocal of 1 is 1 itself. Now by transfer order we get value x. Now transfer this minus 2 there, right side 1 upon 2 plus 2, minus 2 is transferred, x is equal to, now solve this and find the value of x. Here we have to do cross multiplication. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 upon 2, that is the x value, and here y is equal to 1 minus 3 and y is equal to minus 2. These are two values. Therefore solution is here now 5 upon 2 minus 2. This is the solution of this example.